It's time for Physics Friday. In the late 16th century, Galileo supposedly dropped a heavy rock and a light rock from the Leaning Tower of Pisa to demonstrate that objects of different mass would hit at the same time. But it turns out that is true according to Newton's laws as well. But we all know that if you drop a penny and a feather, say, the feather is going to have be affected by wind resistance, so it's going to be much slower. And what we have here today is that we have a penny and a feather inside of a tube, and you can clearly see that the penny drops, and I want you to sort of watch how long it takes for the feather to get down here. Now, this experiment is, what we're going to do is now take all the air out of this. Now, this experiment was done on the moon. That's the hard way. In 1971, where they demonstrated a feather and a hammer fell at the same rate, because there's a vacuum on the moon. So we're going to try to get a vacuum in this tube. We have my favorite vacuum pump. And this is this works okay. Sometimes it works better than others. So if this tube will seal for about 10 seconds, but it does have a leak. So anyway, we're going to draw a vacuum. Another thing that happens, sometimes the feather and penny get tangled up and it may not fall. So what we want to watch to see if the penny and the feather fall about the same rate in a vacuum. I'm going to let this another 15 seconds or so. Seal it off, turn it off, unhook it, and here we go. And as you can see, the penny and the feather fell at the same rate. There you have it.